Hello creators! Cloth3D provides us with basic pattern blocks that we can use as templates for making garments. You don't need to do pattern making, just select basic blocks and modify them. They are located in the Modular Configurator tab on the left panel. There are men's and women's garments and folded short blocks. The type of garments is the same for men and women, so let's check the women's folder. We have jackets, polos, shirts, t-shirts and trench jackets here. I will show you how to use these blocks and get them ready to work. For example, if you want to make a hoodie, you can start with the t-shirt patterns. Select the type, let's choose drop shoulder. Then select the bodice variation. I like this scoop neckline, double-click on it. And select the sleeves. I'll go with the long sleeves. Here we go! We can hide these windows for now. We have a garment that is already sewn on the avatar and patterns in a 2D window. I'll move them a bit closer to each other. Patterns from the Modular Configurator have symmetric editing, which means that you can edit one pattern or one side of the pattern and changes will apply to the other one. See? Symmetric patterns are connected with a blue line or with a center dashed line. These patterns also have seam lines. You can check them with B, Edit Sewing tool. But unfortunately, Modular Configurator has one issue: seams are not symmetrical. If we want to make new garments from these patterns, we need to fix it. It won't work if we just delete all the seam lines and add new ones. The problem is with symmetric editing, so here is what we'll do. Select all center lines with Z, Edit Pattern tool. Press Shift to select multiple lines or objects. Then right-click on the line, cut and sew. Press Yes, we quit the Modular Configurator and won't be able to load any other blocks. Then select all the patterns, right-click and find Remove Linked Editing. Right-click again, Apply Linked Editing, Symmetric Pattern with Sewing. So we basically reapply symmetric editing. Clause says that it can't apply it to some patterns to our neckband. You can notice that symmetrical patterns have a blue stroke, unlike the neckband. It doesn't have center lines, so we didn't cut it in half and reapply the symmetry. I don't usually use this neckband, or if I use it, I merge one side and don't need it to be symmetrical. But if you want to use it, let's apply symmetry to it as well. Draw a center line with G, Internal Polygon tool, or use I, Trace tool, and click on a baseline, and press Enter. Tiny blue lines are called baselines. Then select them and cut. Select all patterns, neckband patterns, and apply symmetric editing with sewing. Here we go! You can do this at the beginning to apply symmetry to all the patterns at once. Now you can check the sewing lines again, and they are fully symmetrical. Awesome! We can merge the center lines back. Select it on the front pattern, right-click, merge. Do the same on the back. And that's it! I think that Modular Configurator is very convenient, despite the fact you need to prepare the patterns to work. After these quick actions, you can easily edit the patterns and create whatever you like. I will show you how to edit patterns and create an oversized shape bodice from these basic blocks in the next video. See you there! Bye!